Hey Siri, call Papa 24.
Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can call by using Siri on your Apple phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So do you know that you can make a call by using Siri also? Here you just tap on setting. If you don't know, then you can scroll down. You just keep scrolling and here you can see the Siri and search. After you just activate this one. Okay, listen for Hey Siri and activate it. After you activate, then only it will be here. And if you don't know how to activate, then you can check my videos or you just search on YouTube how to activate this Siri and search. Okay, on iPhone, then you can check the videos. After activate only this Hey Siri, listen for this, then just click on this icon. It should be in green color if it's activate. Okay, after activate, here I will just say like this, listen to me. Hey Siri, hey Siri, hey Siri. So it's not working because I'm just screen recording, that's why. Okay, you just say hey Siri, call 198, then it will call automatically. I'll show you, but I cannot show right now. Okay friends, so friends, like this easily you can call, but it's not working right now, but you can check. Just say hey Siri, then after that call 198 or call Papa, then it will call. Okay, if you save in your contact list or you just tell the number, you can tell your number also, 7981030. You can just say call 1030. You just tell the number and it will call automatically. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, do not forget and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.